Hi everybody, today I will show you how to change background color in Google Docs. To do this, simply open Google Docs. Then navigate to the file option at the top. Now click on page setup at the bottom and you will see this pop-up. Here, make sure you choose whole document under apply to. After doing this, click on the page color option. Once you click the page color option, it will show different colors available. You can choose from any one of these that you want to apply to your document, or what you can simply do is click on the plus icon, add custom color, and choose a hex code that you want to apply to your Google Docs, or select a shade of color from this section. So I will choose something like this. Now click save, or what you can also do is choose from these colors. After selecting your color that you want to apply as your background in your Google Docs, click OK. And your Google Docs background color will be instantly changed. So that is how you change background color in Google Docs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.